Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to install code blocks for C++ programming and show you how to run a basic Hello World application. So first what you want to do is you want to open up your web browser, go to the top or just go to Google and type in code blocks and search for it. And then you just want to click on downloads right here in the tab. And now you want to download the binary release. So when you go to the download the binary release, you want to pick obviously the operating system you have. They also have Linux, or Linux I should say, and Mac. And I'm running Windows, so this is for Windows. If you want to download, you want to have the admin priorities plus the GUN or GNU compiler that comes with it. So you're going to want to download this one right here. It's fourth from the top. You want to go ahead and download it from sourceforage.net. It's probably the best one to download it from. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to re-download it, but yeah, you just want to download it, run through everything, get it up and running. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and run it or open it, and you should get this little display right here. Just waiting for it to load up. Now, when you're at this page, what you want to do is you want to go to create new project. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new one. For these tutorials, you're going to want to download or use the console application. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now they have a variety from C or C++. We're going to do C++ for this tutorial. And you want to name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it YouTube. You can pick a folder to download it in. I've already created a folder for my other projects. Just go ahead and click next. Make sure the compiler is the GNU GCC compiler. Make sure your screen kind of looks like mine. If it doesn't, try to make it look as best as it does. Go to finish. And now you have a blank screen, but now you're in your projects. So you want to come over here to workspace, your project, go to sources, and you just want to right click on this and remove the file from project. And then after that, you want to go to new file, empty class. You're obviously going to have to save it before so it knows what program you're running. So I'm going to just name this one hello.cpp for C++. Go ahead and click OK. And so now with C++ programming, there's things you have to include. The first thing you're probably going to want to include is so you just want to do the little number sign or pound sign, whatever you want to call it. Go to include, and then you want to put in the iOS stream. Click enter. So it should start looking like this for your first line. And to use this, we have to create a using namespace st. You want to go down one or two lines. You don't want it right here, and you want to put in int main. To run a C++ program, you always have to have a main thing here. You just want to add these curly brackets, and once you add them, you should be jumped to the next line. So once you're there, you can start writing your programs. I'm going to add comments so you guys can kind of go off that and see how to use it. I'm just going to add a C++ programming, write program to output greeting. Alright, just want to press enter again, and now your code will go here, which I'll go over in just a minute. But you always want to press enter again and always add a return statement 0. And you can just press enter a couple times, and now you can start writing your code. Now this is pretty easy for a Hello World application. Python's a little bit easier, but to write this, all you gotta do is count, which is pretty much print. If you see my Python tutorials, count is the same thing as print. These arrows are showing what to print, so like anything after this that you add in quotation marks will tell the computer to print that. So we're just going to do simple hello world, or whatever you want. Hello world's, it's just good for beginners, gives them good luck. And then you always want to add a end will statement at the end. And always make sure you're including this, I don't even know what to call this thing, to be honest, but you always want to include this at the end of every code sentence you put in, or every line, so that way like shows that stop there and then works on the next one. So with that, this also means endo means like create a new line after it, so you can create new lines. I'm just gonna return back up here like this. And so now what you want to do is you want to save it. There's a couple ways you can save it. You can do save this way. If you're working on many projects or many files in the project, you can save it like save as all, or you can press Control S and you see it's saved, because now this isn't clickable anymore. And what you always want to do, you can't run it right away. You have to build and run it. It's a debugging feature. It's like if you mess up, you can see what you did wrong. Now you just want to go ahead and click that, and it's going to build it for you. It's going to show down here in the build log, and it's going to run it. Now your screen should look like this, and you've ran your first program. So just press any key to continue. I'm just going to press enter. Now that's the simple basic, hello world. I'll be doing more on this series, so just like and subscribe my page, leave comments if you have any questions, and thank you.